boys are really excited. We had a good week this week. No pressure to us because we put in the work. Like I said, we really had a week and we're excited to get out there and play some rugby. The message will be the same. I think we just need to keep the ball more. Discipline was an issue for us in the first few games. I think for us now we just need to finish on our last 20 minutes, last 10 minutes, and with that we just need the ball and more so we can be in control of the game. The goal is the same every week. We come in, play every weekend. We're coming in to win the game. So these last 3 games we're really close to getting to win games. But I think for us as a group, the thing we need to be better on is just skill sets. As a group, we've been doing well. We have these young boys coming up, putting their hands up for the challenge. That's what's exciting about this group.
How well are they prepared mentally?
Yes, everyone is excited to play this weekend. Obviously, home game. Our family will be there. Whole of Fiji will be watching. Everyone wants to play, especially here in Lautoka. Boys been prepping well. So obviously only 23 can play. The rest have been giving us good opposition challenges. So for that, as a group and as a 23 member, we are ready to come out there and just play. Always ready. Always put my hand up to play for this team whenever given the chance. So that mindset never changes. We come in to play to win, and we move on next week. Yes. Look, obviously home game is always is different. We always there's so much to be grateful for. We have our family at the back behind us, always supporting us, especially here in Fiji and our fans abroad. That gives us that makes us really proud to represent this club. We're not only representing ourselves